everyone! Welcome to my new laboratory! So, I have decided to make some marshmallow fluff to make a fluffer nutter. So, let's get started. Safety first. Types of science in the world. So, including chemistry is what you normally see, engineering, and what else is there? Ooh, archaeology and food science, which is what we're doing today. So the sciencey part about this is that normal marshmallow fluff is made with egg whites, but we are using chickpea water in here. So let's get started. I put a half cup of chickpea liquid into your bowl, mixing bowl, and then a teaspoon of vanilla, and then a quarter of a teaspoon of cream tartar, and then put it on your mixer. Oh, and then slowly put in the sugar. It mix for 10 minutes. Done. Now we're gonna make my fluffer nutter. And plop, 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 plop. And ooh, and here's a song that you can sing like this. Rubby-dubby-doop-be-doop. And put the butter knife back in. I'll just do that. And I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and give my video a big thumbs up. Bye.